Our today's spectacle is to measure ionization potential of mercury vapor using vapor field diode. We will use this diode and will find ionization potential of mercury. You know what the meaning of ionization potential first of all? Let's come in here. What is ionization potential? The definition is the process by which an electron is completely removed from the atom. If you remove the electron completely from the atom, that process is called ionization. Mean completely removal of the electron from the atom is called ionization. And the amount of energy which must be supplied to separate the most easily removable of the electron is called ionization energy. Mean how much energy is needed to remove the most easily removable electron. That is called ionization energy. And when ionization energy is measured in electron volt, then it is called ionization potential. Mean ionization energy when it is measured in electron volt. Okay, for example, coming here, this is the electronic configuration of the mercury. And the valence electron is 6s2. And most easily removable electrons are 6s2. Okay, and the corresponding potential, if the corresponding mercury potential is 10.4 volt, if it is required to ionize the mercury atom, then it is called ionization potential. Mean at least this much energy, 10.4 electron volt, is needed to remove the valence electron from the mercury atom. It is very, very simple. This is our diode because there are two electrodes, anode and cathode. Cathode is heated with the help of this filament and battery. And there is a mercury atoms in the tube. Okay, and there is no other atom except mercury. Then anode is given a positive potential. Anode is given a positive potential. See here. Positive potential is given to anode and negative potential is given to cathode. And whatever the voltage which is applied to the anode, we will measure it with the help of the voltmeter. And as this potential is positive, so upper is positive sign of voltmeter and below negative because here the battery is negative. An ammeter is connected in series. Ammeter is milliampere meter. Again keep in mind this is positive, so this sign should be positive and this should be negative. So milliampere meter will measure the current. Okay, and now what is the procedure? We go on varying the potential given to anode and cathode. We'll go on increasing the potential. Side by side we'll measure the current. Then we plot a graph. And the data should be filled in this table. So we to look now whether our data gives a graph like this or not. So this is the apparatus for ionization potential of mercury. So this is our diode wall and mercury vapor tube. This is mercury vapor tube. Okay, in this tube, in this tube there is anode and cathode. The filament is heated with the help of this low tension battery, 6.3 volt AC, and anode is given. This is anode. It is given a positive potential, DC potential positive, and this is cathode. It is connected with the negative potential. Okay, then this is our voltmeter. Note down what the 10 divisions of the voltmeter corresponds to 2.5 volt. Okay, and find out the least count of this voltmeter. This is our milliampere meter. Okay, note down the scale. 10 divisions corresponds to 5 milliampere. Now I am going to switch on the apparatus. Right. Now I will vary the potential. Like this is a potential. Okay. Note down its value and simultaneously note down the current reading. What is the reading in the current in milliampere meter? Now I am increasing the potential. So this is the potential now. I note down what is the current in milliampere. Now further increasing. Further increasing the potential, and again note down what is the current. Now this is the value of potential. Note down the current. So this is the potential. Note down the current corresponds to this potential. So at this potential, the corresponding current is, note down, now at this potential, corresponding current, note down please. So current is here, it is increasing. Too much current is increasing and going beyond the limits. So let's before current is increasing too much, At this voltage, this is the current. Now, after that, just see, slight change in voltage, there is a large change in the current. Look. I think you can note down this last reading. At this voltage, this is the current. But I think this one is the last because it's going out of scale then. Further increasing voltage is going out of scale. Whether your graph becomes of this shape or not, and find out the ionization potential of the mercury. Okay, thank you.